How to list an item for sale on eBay. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to list an item for sale on eBay. In order to do this procedure, you have to go ahead and open up a browser, and when you open up a browser, on the web address bar type in ebay.com, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. There are a list of tabs located right on top. So here you could go ahead and tap the sell button, and when you press the sell button, it's going to take you to the seller's page. And here you need to go ahead and click on the following information that says create your listing. When you press on it, now you could go ahead and tap on a list an item located right over here. Here you need to go ahead and provide an information about what you're actually selling. So type in whatever sort of item that you're selling, and if it appears in the suggested list, I'm going to select that. And when you've done that, press the search bar or the magnifying glass icon located right in the corner, and here you can go ahead and start specifying the listing. So first of all, you have to go ahead and add the size, brand, color, material, country of the manufacturer reasons, and you could also go ahead and tap on continue without match. You can do that, and here you need to list out the detail whether it's used or unused. So go ahead and select that and continue to listing, and accordingly the procedure goes on, and just follow the prompt and then provide in the information, provide the photos of the items that you wish to sell, and that's how you can list an item for sale on eBay. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.